What does the slope of velocity time graph indicate? What does the slope of velocity time graph indicate? Velocity time graph indicate. We can draw velocity axis in vertical direction and time axis in horizontal direction. And this curve OC is the curve which is the velocity time graph of a body moving with increasing acceleration. At the point A, we can draw a perpendicular AN on the time axis at which t is equal to t seconds. Similarly, we can draw a perpendicular from the point B on the velocity time graph and that perpendicular is BM on the time axis at which time is t plus delta t second. From the point A, we can draw a straight line parallel to time axis at which velocity v will be equal to v, and a parallel straight line drawn from the point B with respect to time axis at which velocity will be v plus delta v. At A, the body has lesser velocity. At B, the body has greater velocity. Now we can draw also the straight line AD. At A, if we draw a tangent with the positive time axis, in that case, that tangent AT makes an angle theta. The tangent AT at the point A on the velocity time graph makes an angle theta with the positive time axis. Similarly, the tangent AT makes an angle theta with the straight line AD which is parallel to time axis. Let theta be the angle subtended by the tangent AT at the point A. Let theta be the angle subtended by the tangent AT at the point A on the velocity time graph OC of a body moving with increasing acceleration. Under bracket A with the positive time axis. Therefore, the slope of velocity time graph at the point A on the velocity time graph at instant t equal t second is given by m equal what? Sin theta or cos theta or tan theta. Which one will be equal to the slope m? We know that slope m is equal to tangent of theta or tan theta. And from the right angle triangle BDA, tan theta is perpendicular BD divided by base AD. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular BD divided by base AD. Therefore, m, which is the slope of VT graph, will have the expression delta V by delta T. And before that, we should consider limit delta t tends to 0 delta v by delta t. Limit delta t tends to 0 delta v by delta t, and that will be equal to what? Acceleration A, average acceleration A, and instantaneous acceleration A. So obviously the slope m will be equal to the instantaneous acceleration A. Therefore, the slope of velocity time graph at an instant is the instantaneous acceleration of the body, of the body at the given instant. Slope of VT graph is the instantaneous acceleration of the body at the given instant.